Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you guys doing? We are super excited today. As you guys all know, we're in Scarborough location. We're opening up our new fridge. It's so amazing, such a blessing that we're able to feed now in Scarborough. Lot of needy population needed. Folks, guess who I have right now with me? Sister Melissa McDonald, founder of Call for Kindness group, volunteering group. She and her team members were able to raise close to $5,000 for two of our fridges. One Scarborough and the other one is Hamilton. And right now we are super excited that we're able to launch our Scarborough Community Fridge with the funds that she has shared and she has some of her group members from her Call for Kindness organization as well. And I'm very excited and honored to have her here and be able to hand over this certificate along with this little bit of a gift to her organization as an appreciation from Road to Zero Waste charity. And we want to pray for you guys, for all of you guys, and hope there will be a lot of people in this community who will be praying for you guys for many, many years to come. And hopefully the ajr from all of the funds that you guys have raised will be lots of good deeds for you guys in the day of judgment, inshallah. And thank you so much for everything that you guys have done. And we're very proud to have community members like you and your team, mashallah. Here, this is for you. I have a gift for you too.
Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallah khairan, Sister Layla, for that beautiful introduction. So as she said, my name is Melissa from Call for Kindness. This is our other director, Shannon. First and foremost, I want to say, alhamdulillah, all praises belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has given all of us this opportunity to work together as a community and to be able to do what we're doing to support those who are in need. I also want to thank all of our Call for Kindness members who are committed and dedicated to supporting their communities and those who are in need. MashaAllah, without you guys, we would not be able to be where we are today. And Jazakallah khairan to Sister Laylo and to Road to Zero Waste for giving us the opportunity to be able to work alongside with Road to Zero Waste and have this opportunity of opening up a new fridge. So Jazakallah khairan for that. Thank you.
Now, I'd like to introduce another person, Brother Abdul Wahab Ibrahim. He is the manager of Scarborough Salahuddin Masjid, and he was very kind to let us, just have the space here to use our community fridge project here. And I'd like to hear more from you, Brother Abdul Wahab, about the community. What kind of community members we're going to be serving here in upcoming years, inshallah, to come. And can you please give a little bit of background, and hopefully this project will benefit all those needy people.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. My name is Abdul Wahab Ibrahim. I'm General Manager of Salahuddin Service Center. And we have a lot of family surround our family here. We are helping delivering home-to-home delivery with Brother Siraj here with me. And also we really appreciate the community. We appreciate what you guys do for us. And if you need any help from us for anything else, we are ready to help you guys for any kind of help. Again, thank you very much for all volunteers here for giving us an opportunity. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallah khairan, Sister Layla, for that wonderful introduction. My name is Melissa from Call for Kindness, one of the directors. This is Sister Shannon, one of the directors as well, and my husband, Brother Amin. We just want to say first and foremost, alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who could give us this opportunity to be able to work together and support our community and provide the necessary food that our community is needing, alhamdulillah. I want to also thank the volunteers, the donors from Call for Kindness. You guys are amazing. We would not be able to do this without your committed support, alhamdulillah. And also want to thank you, Sister Layla and Road to Zero Waste, for giving us the opportunity to be able to work together with you and have this opportunity to open up the Scarborough fridge. So Jazakallah khairan. Thank you. Sorry guys, I might have to...
So our next introduction will go to Sister Humaira Hashmi. She's going to be our next supervisor of Scarborough Fridge. As you guys all know, we have supervisors for all of our projects and fridges to manage things better. and we're very honored that we'll be having a very responsible lady here who was already very active in the community, helping with so many projects, and hope we can use her skills to help our Scarborough Community Fridge project as well. And I'd like to hear some words from you.
Inshallah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. I'm very excited, alhamdulillah, and Jazakallah khairan to Lelo and the team for giving me this opportunity to serve the community, inshallah. This is, alhamdulillah, blessing, and I am going to respond. I'm going to actually request all of you, whoever is listening to this message, to come out and join our mission. Join for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, join for the sake of bettering the community, inshallah. And it's a win-win situation for all of us, inshallah. So I'm very much looking forward to working with all of you. You've got my contact number. Call me, message me. I am available, and we can, inshallah, work out together as a team, inshallah, because this is, after all, a team effort. So, Jazakillah, Assalamu alaikum.
As always, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube.
And don't forget to tag us on Instagram.
And remember to be safe, to be well, because we are a community.